everybody, it's Cheap Nails helping you stay frugal with nail art. The sun is setting. Really, the sun is setting right there. Happy All Saints Day, everybody, and I hope this uploaded on All Saints Day. If you noticed last week, I always upload, if you were wondering, on Friday. Cheap Nails uploads on Friday. But last week I uploaded on Wednesday because I scheduled it for Friday, but when it didn't work for some reason and it uploaded on Wednesday. I don't know, crazy. So this better be All Saints Day. And in this video, the saint I will be painting on my nails, because this is of course an All Saints design, is Somebody's Coming. Inspired by Saint Kateri, and that's what I'll be painting on my nails today. Guys, link in the description if you want to hear about our history. Let's go to that nail design right now. Right now. Let's get this mani started. First of all, I've painted all of my nails white, and yes, they're short. I had to cut them because my index finger and my pinky broke, so I just decided to cut them. I still have other videos that I need to edit with me with long nails, so you have not seen the last of my long nails. I'm going to start off by painting my pinky with some pavement acrylic paint. And yeah, I don't think I've ever started a nail tutorial with painting my pinky. That's kind of funny. And I'm going to make sure that's opaque, and then I'm going to put a brown line with a black ends. And then I'm going to take my scissor and I'm going to cut out some of these beautiful beautiful feather decals. They're so gorgeous. And now that I have them cut out, I'm going to take off the little piece of plastic that is on them because I don't want the water decal to stick to that once I put it in the water. And now I'm going to put it in the cap full of water. I'm going to pop another one in that water, and then I'm going to wait 30 to 40 seconds. Then I'm going to take my tweezer and I'm going to take my Born Pretty jelly stamper, and I'm just going to slide the decal on the jelly stamper so it's easily transferred to my nail. It's easier to transfer the water decal on your nail with the jelly stamper, but I would suggest blowing a little bit on the jelly stamper to dry the water decal before you stamp it on your nail. And I fished out that other decal and I put it on my index finger. And now I'm gonna start on my middle finger, and I have this brown acrylic paint and I'm gonna paint it on, and I had to do like 4 coats to get it look like this. So now it has 4 coats and it's all dry. And now I'm gonna cut out this bird decal with my scissor. This decal is it's small, so it was kind of hard to cut out, so I had to move it all around to cut it out. Same protocol. We're gonna take off that little piece of plastic that's covering the water decal, and then we're gonna pop the water decal in some water for 30 to 40 seconds. And then we're gonna go ahead, put it on the jelly stamper, and now we're gonna stamp it. I'm gonna stamp it on the middle of my nail. And now I think it still looked a little empty, so I'm gonna take these kind of stick or twigs or whatever was next to the bird. I'm gonna cut those out and put them in some water, take them out, put them on my jelly stamper, and stamp those towards the top of my nail, up above the bird. I think these are like sticks, or I'm not sure what they are, but they're like sticks or twigs. I don't know. Now, starting on my ring finger, I'm gonna go ahead and take some light brown acrylic paint, even though it kind of looks yellow on camera, but it's supposed to be light tan, light brown. And then I'm gonna take some more of that black pavement acrylic paint, and I'm gonna paint a little bit more than half of my nail because I think that looks cool. When did I get an accent? I don't know. I don't know when I started voiceovering in an accent. Anyways, I'm gonna just take some brown acrylic paint and align the black line like I did with my other nails. And then I'm gonna take a dotting tool and I'm gonna put 6 dots on the top of my nail, leaving a little space in the center for 4 petal flower. Then I'm gonna take my other bigger dotting tool and I'm gonna put a dot in the middle of my nail. And then I'm gonna put dots on the side. This represents her rosary, which was wooden beads that she always had with her. So I'm gonna put a cross, of course, on it. It's a rosary, so I gotta put a cross at the end. And I also am gonna use that dot to form the cross so I can get it right in the middle. And now that that is done, I'm gonna take another feather decal, pop it in water for 30 to 40 seconds, and then I'm going to put on the jelly stamper and stamp it on the side of my nail. And yeah, this design is really pretty, I think. I'm going to top it with some top coat to finish it. And I think it's really pretty. I've never really used these colors of brown and tan and stuff, but I just had to do it because she's an Indian, of course. She's from the Turtle Clan. So tell me guys what you think down below in the comment section of my Indian slash Saint Kateri All Saints Day mani. Tell me what you guys think down below.
Hope you guys enjoyed that All Saints Day inspired nail design. I really had fun with it. It was really fun to do. It was fun. I haven't really done browns and those kind of color nail art on this channel before. So it was really fun. And guys, the leaves, remember I told you the leaves in last week's video, they're still kind of green here. Look, they're finally dying. Well, those back there are kind of green. But these are dying. Remember I did this with it? It was like, remember the E? Do you remember the E in the other video? In last week's video? Click the I button so you can see last week's video if you didn't see it. Thank you so much for watching this video. Give it a like if you like this All Saints Day, and happy All Saints Day. Hope you're having a great one, and I think that's it. So I'll see you next time. Bye!